Okay. Show me.
What's up YouTube, Dr. C in the house, thank you very much for tuning in for a first look at the content of this here box. A highly anticipated, I've said that before about products, right? Now this really is a highly anticipated product from Runcam. You've seen the title of this video. This box contains the latest and greatest split system from Runcam, and you can't probably read the label, and you'll see the content of this box in a second. This is a split system from Runcam, but with dual sensors and dual lenses. The hybrid, yeah. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a very nice FPV solution. And I'm going to do several videos about the hybrid system from Runcam. I'm going to do a full review of it, obviously. And I'm also going to do a giveaway. So in this video I'm going to show you what's in this box. And I'm gonna tell you about my giveaway, announce my giveaway. So let's first have a look at the content of this box. So again, highly anticipated, the Runcam Split Hybrid. So this is basically a CADX Target, but then with a little more quality control. Yeah, that's really what I'm expecting. And maybe a better user interface. Okay, let's have a look what's in this box here. Now this again is not my review. I'll do a separate review. And also I'll have a playlist up here with all my unedited footage that I shoot with this camera. As always, I'll review this camera as an FPV camera, so I'll do a side-by-side comparison between this and the Runcam Eagle 2 Pro. And I'll obviously also review it as a recorder, a 4K recorder at that. And you can instantly see, well, you can obviously see that it has two lenses. And it'll therefore have two sensors. The setup is somewhat similar to the CADX Target, but it's also quite different. As you can see, the top lens is longer and bigger in diameter. This is an M10 lens and this is an M8 lens. The top lens is the HD recorder, the 4K recorder. The bottom lens is the FPV recorder. And we've got a recorder board, and it's a single layer recorder board, which is great. This is smaller than the CADX Target. Cool stuff. So yeah, obviously also lighter. Yeah, and we've got a connector over here which is basically identical to what a Runcam camera would have, well, a lot of cameras would have at the rear. 3-pin connector? Yeah, 3-pin connector. So if you already have a quadcopter with an FPV system, this would be super duper easy to install if you have the room in your quadcopter for it. Now again, this is not a review. I haven't shot any footage with this camera yet. So yeah, I just took it out of the packaging. I just wanted to show this camera to you, as again this is a highly anticipated product, and I am very much looking forward to trying this camera. I have a couple of CADX Targets, and as most people know, very nice cameras, but one of them, no, both of mine have dust in them. I mean, come on, that's not necessary, right? Basically what happened with the CADX cameras is that after machining this plastic piece, the front of the camera, they didn't clean it well enough. I think that's what happens with those cameras. So that's definitely a shame, and I have better hopes for this Runcam version of our dual camera split setup. So yeah, the camera comes with this nice silicone cable to connect the camera to your flight controller or your VTX. You got some mounting hardware, plastic standoffs, and you've got this little plastic tab to prevent the memory card from flying on out. And well, okay, the controller board is definitely different from the normal, the previous split systems. I haven't had a close look at this board yet, but well, it's a 20 by 20 board, single layer, and I can't actually find a microphone on this board. I am 100% sure it'll record audio, but I'm not sure, maybe the microphone is in the camera unit itself? Hard to say. Actually, before I shoot my review of this camera, I'll ask Runcam about that. Where the microphone is, because we probably will need to shield it from wind noise, right? As a customary. Okay, again, this is not a review. I'll do a review of this camera shortly. Okay, so then I went and lost my seat to him over there. Hi Onyx. Yeah, so this video is also an announcement for a giveaway, right? I'm gonna be giving away one of these Runcam hybrid split systems 4K recorders. And basically this camera is a combination of the Runcam 5 HD 4K camera and a Runcam Racer version 2. Both of which are good cameras, especially for what they cost, so I have high hopes for this system. However, before I do my giveaway, I first want to test it to see if it's, well, maybe it's horrible. I do not expect it to be horrible, but I first want to test it before I actually do a giveaway of it. So if all is well with this 4K split hybrid system from Runcam, I'll do a giveaway of it at the start of November 2019. Be on the lookout for that. And if you're not subscribed yet, maybe also ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on my giveaway of this system. Yeah, and I'll also have a review, like I mentioned before. For now, I just wanted to show this system to you, and there's a link to it. I think it's on pre-sale at Banggood at the moment. So go have a look. It's slightly below $100, I think. So yeah, again, go have a look and be on the lookout for my giveaway and my review of this. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.